Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Airbnb currency. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your Airbnb currency so that you could actually see it in your own native currency. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on Profile in the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account Settings, then click on Payments, then click on the upper right hand corner where it says your currency. So this is where you could actually choose between different currencies, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your Airbnb currency. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.